Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to start with realistic missions of Hack This Site. So let's get started. So here we have realistic mission first. So let's difficulty rating is easy. Just take this challenge. So here we have instructions. Let's read it out. From Heavy Metal Ran. Message. Hey man, I need a big favor from you. Remember that website I showed you once before? Uncle's Arnold band review page. Well, a long time ago, I made a $500 bet with a friend that my band would be at the top of the list by the end of the year. Well, as you already know, two of my band members have died in a horrendous car accident, but this asshole still insisted that bet is on. I know you are good with computers and stuff, so I was wondering, is there any way for you to hack this site and make my band on the top of the list? My band is ragging Inferno. Thanks a lot, man. So we have to just hack the website and just bring the in the top. So we have to just modify the HTML code. So we have to know the knowledge of basic HTML. So let's go to this site. So it's like we have done this basic missions in I don't remember the exact number, but we have done this type of missions in basic. So yes, we have to modify the just HTML and inspect some things. So here we have our site and it's about reviews. So it is button boxes, a vote. So here we have options like and votes. So it is an average vote of 1 2 3 4 5. It's the sum and divide a total number of times. So it is the average and weighted descending order. So here we have Ragging Inferno. So it is this. So we just have to hack this and break in the top of the one in the above this. So just we have to know the in HTML. So we just go to inspect element. I'm using Chrome. So here we have inspect element right of the window. So here we have open and collapse everything. So we just move in that checkbox drop down boxes. Just go to X inspect. So we are in select name vote is this, then type in the middle. So here we have all the options over here. Option value equals to 1 and then close and 1 and then close type option. So here we have all these things. So we just have to edit and modify. So you can see that let me bring this bigger. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 of which is in the white color. This is the variable which is the user sees. It does not have any value, so it only worked as a sample, or it will only show as a number. The the type is here. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5. If we want to just upvote the all things, I can change the 5 1 to 1000. So done, and that's done. I have changed the value of vote 5 to 1000 and it will show as 5 number. Just click over any here and close this, and let's see. So here we have 5 and it will not show 1000. So if I will click on 5 and then vote, it will bring me to the top of the site and it will, let's see. So it's done. So we have to go on and do the next realistic mission. So it's completely congratulations. So stay tuned for our YouTube channel. This is Ahmad signing off, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.